In this video, we're going to set up a free Odoo 19 consultation booking page using the Odoo Appointments module, and then connect it directly to the website. You'll see how to create an appointment type, how to configure availability, questions, and options, how to publish the appointment on your website, and how the end user books the appointment step by step. This is part of the katylinks.com Odoo training series, where we explain real business use cases, not demos.
In Odoo, you can create appointments directly from the website, and that's exactly where we're starting in this video. We begin on the website in edit mode. From the top menu, click New and then select Appointment Form. When you do this, Odoo immediately creates a new appointment type for you in the background and links it to the website page you're building. At this point, we are still working visually on the website, but the appointment itself already exists in the Appointments module. Now let's switch to the backend to configure it properly. From the Appointments menu, we can see the newly created appointment listed here. Open it to review and adjust the settings. The first thing we see is the appointment title. Here, we set it to Free Odoo 19 Consultation. Next is the duration. This controls how long each booking slot will be. In this case, it's set to 1 hour. For location, we choose online meeting, since this consultation will be held virtually. Under Book, we select users and assign the user who will handle the consultation. This ensures the appointment is connected to the correct calendar. The Manage Capacities option controls whether a user can accept multiple appointments at the same time. Here, we allow only one simultaneous appointment, which is ideal for one-on-one consultations. Now let's move to the Availabilities tab. This is where we define when people can book. We add availability for specific days and time ranges, such as mornings and afternoons on weekdays. These time slots directly control what visitors see on the website booking calendar. Next, open the Questions tab. This section allows us to collect information before the meeting happens. Click Add a Line, then New, to create a question. Here, we add questions such as phone number, what Odoo module the user is using, how they need help. Each question can be set as mandatory or optional, and the answer type can be text, drop-down, or multiple choice. All of these questions will appear on the booking form shown on the website. Now go to the Communication tab. This is where we configure emails and reminders. Here, Odoo automatically sends a booking confirmation email, a cancellation email. If the appointment is canceled, we can also add reminders, such as an email reminder a few hours before the meeting, an SMS reminder closer to the meeting time. All of this happens automatically once the appointment is booked. Next, open the Options tab. This section controls the booking rules. Here, we can allow or block invitations, enable auto confirmation limit, how far in advance bookings are allowed, set the minimum notice period, define cancellation rules, and set the time zone. The time zone is especially important. In this example, it's set to America/Chicago, ensuring bookings appear correctly for both the business and the customer. Once all options are reviewed, the appointment setup is complete. Now let's go back to the website. Click Go to Website to view the live booking page. Here, visitors can select a date and see the available time slots based on the availability we configured earlier. When a time slot is selected, the booking form appears. The user enters their email, phone number, and answers the questions we created earlier. Finally, the user clicks Confirm Appointment. Once confirmed, Odoo schedules the meeting, sends confirmation emails, applies reminders, and blocks the time slot on the calendar. This completes the full booking flow. The key thing to remember is this: even though we started from the website, all appointment logic is always managed from the Appointments module. The website is simply the interface that allows users to book. This is how you create a complete appointment booking system in Odoo 19, starting directly from the website. For more step-by-step Odoo training and real business examples, visit https://www.katylinks.com.
This is how you create a complete appointment booking system in Odoo 19, starting directly from the website and then refining all the logic in the Appointments module. You've seen how the website and backend work together. The website handles the user experience, while the Appointments module controls availability, questions, communication, and booking rules. In the next videos, we'll continue building on this by showing how to embed appointment buttons into landing pages, customize booking forms, and configure advanced appointment options. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and follow the playlist. For more structured Odoo training and implementation support, visit https://www.katylinks.com.